Hi, this is Sivasankar. Welcome to English grammar class. Today we would like to explain about the active voice and passive voice. Dear, active voice and passive voice. Let's know about the active voice and passive voice. Dear, what do you mean by active voice and what do you mean by passive voice? Let's know about the active voice. The active voice, when we give the importance of the subject, which action done by the subject, that is called active voice. Then what do you mean by passive voice? It's depend upon the action, that is the object. We give the importance of the object, that is called passive voice. Let's know about the active voice, passive voice today. Then first of all, we want to know about the active voice and passive voice. Before that, we should be know about the tense action and types of sentence. So let me know about the types of sentence. How many types of sentence? We have the 4 types of sentence. We know that first one is the assertive sentence, and second one interrogative sentence, and third one imperative sentence. And fourth one exclamatory sentence. So these are the 4 types of sentence we should be know to convert the active voice to passive voice. Dears, let me know about the how the active voice sentence we can be change the passive voice. Let me know. First of all, assertive sentence. Already said in the directive speech, indirect speech, assertive sentence all are statement. When some speaker give the statement, that is called assertive sentence. Then interrogative, they ask the questions. They have the 2 type of questions we can be asked in the interrogative sentence. What is that? One is the double H words, it means the complete answer. And second one, it's yes or no questions. We can be make yes or no questions with the helping and modal verbs. Then come to the imperative sentence. This is the different kinds of the sentence. They have the order, request, suggestion, advice, caution, warn, helping. So what are maybe? These all are is called imperative sentence. Then come to the exclamatory sentence. The exclamatory sentence, it just exclaim our feelings. Okay, dears, let me know about the assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, and imperative sentence. We can be convert from active voice to passive voice. But the exclamatory sentence could not be convert from active to passive. So that's today we learn about the how the assertive sentence we can convert from the active to passive. How interrogative sentence we can convert from active to passive. How imperative sentence we can be convert from active to passive. Okay dear, let me know. I want to go one by one. First one is that assertive sentence. I want to drop this. We want to go about the assertive sentence, how we convert from active to passive. Dears, we should be know about the how we convert the active to passive. First of all, action, present actions. What is that? Present actions, present action and past action and future action. Let me know about the present action. From the present action we can be change from the active to passive, that is the simple present, the simple present actions we can be convert from active to passive. The next one, present continuous, we can be convert from the active to passive. And the same third one, present perfect, we can be convert from active to passive. At the same time, past action also, they have simple past and second one past continuous and third one past perfect. And the future action, they have only two actions. We can be convert from active to passive. What is that? Simple future and future perfect. Dear, these actions we can be convert from active to passive. Let me know about the one by one. The simple present, how we convert from active to passive. So let me know. And simples, first of all simples. Simple past, simple present and simple future. Let me know. Now we will discuss about the first of all the simple present. How simple present assertive sentence or statement we can be convert from active to passive. Let me know. Simple present. Then understand simple present. It's the statement of the general action, regular action and universal action and the daily habitual actions. These sentence how we convert from active to passive. So let me write first of all one sentence. So dear, before write the sentence you should be know the how the action should be right in the present. Let me know. He drinks milk every day. Dear, this is the sentence. So we take the one of the simple present action. Okay, let me know first of all how we want to convert the active to passive. I say in the active voice we give the importance of the subject. This is the subject and this is the verb, main verb, and milk is the object. So let me know, he drinks milk every day. It is the action, it's happened every day. Then how we convert from passive voice? I said already, when the active voice the sentence had, we give the importance of the subject. Then we'll actually know about the passive voice. When we want to give the importance of the object, it means which is the action is the main reason for the object, that is called a passive voice. Let me know about how we convert from the active to passive. They have the one of the structure. So what is the structure? First of all we should be write the object. So every time you should be give the present sense of and importance of the object. In the objectical way, we have to write the passive voice, and the active voice we can be write a subjectical way. Then write object. Then next, it is the simple present. That's why you have to mention is, am, are. This is the helping verb you should be mentioned after the object. Then next, we should be convert the verb third form. It means the verb might be in the V1, the verb might be in the V2, the verb in the might be in the V4, the verb might be in the V3. But when we want to write the passive voice, you should be convert V3. It means verb you should be write the third form. Then next, you should be write preposition. Sometimes we use a lot of times by preposition, and sometimes we can use either with or of or at, whatever may be. Some preposition we can be used before we write the subject. So preposition, at last we should be mentioned subject. Okay dear, this is the structure of the passive voice. We should be follow the structure of the passive voice. Structure of passive voice. What is the structure? And simple present structure. Okay, let me know according to the structure we want to change the sentence. How? Listen, object. What is the object? Milk. Milk either is, either are, either am. Milk is, because it is third person singular, that's why we should be mentioned is. Milk is. What is the drinks? What is the third form of the drink? Drink, drank, drunk. D-R-U-N-K, drunk. Milk is drunk. You should be right by he, should be changed him. This is the sentence. Milk is drank by him every day. You can be right every day. Here, when we write the sum of the subject, I, it can be changed me, and he, him or his. She, it can be changed her. They, it can be changed them. We, it can be changed us. These are pronoun, it can be changed when we change into the passive voice, it can be changed like this. Okay, this is the first structure, simple present, from active to passive. So remember, I hope you can understand this one. Then let me go to the second one. Okay, now we discuss about the present continuous. Present continuous. How one of the present continuous active voice sentence we can change in the passive voice. So let me know about, we want to write one of the example. What is that? She was weeping at that time when someone observed her. Okay dear, she was weeping at the time when someone observed her. Okay, this is the action of the sentence. We should be right. Sorry. She is weeping at the time when someone observed. Observe her. Okay, this is the present action, present continuous action. It means she is weeping, it means at the time when someone observe her. Okay, when someone observe her, she is weeping. Then how we can be changed from the active to passive voice? Let me know. This is also one of the structure. How we write the first of all structure. What is that? Object. Then this is the write the helping verb is, am, are. At the same way, when it write the continuous form, you should be write being. Then again verb third form, and again you should be write preposition. Then last you should be mention subject. This is the structure for active to passive present continuous form. Okay, let me change. She is weeping at the time when someone observe her. So once you observe, she is the subject, is helping verb, and weeping is the main verb. At the time when someone observe her, here is it is not a strongest of the object. This object is not strong because of to convert the passive voice. So on that time we give the passive way, we want to mention only subject here. So what is that? She is being wept. She is being wept at the time when someone observed. Okay, this is the sentence we can be convert from the present continuous to active to passive. Okay, now you have to remember this. This is the important structure. This is the structure of the present continuous. Now let's go to the next one, present perfect. I want to be change this one. This is the very important for our daily life also. So everyone should have to remember this. We should be use this in our daily life when we speak with someone. So next one, present perfect. Then write down the present perfect. How can we write the present perfect? We know already action of the tense. So present perfect, it means the completed actions. How we write? He has bought all books at present. He had bought all books at present. Okay, he has brought all books at present. This is the present perfect sentence. Then how we can be change the passive voice? Let me know the structure. Object plus it is the present perfect. You should be mention either have or has. The latter you should be mention been. The perfect action always you should be mention been. Then next one, verb third form, preposition, then subject. So this is the structure for present perfect. Then we can be change active to passive voice. Let me know how we can be changed. Do you understand? First of all, it is the subject and has is the helping verb and brought is the main verb. All books, it is the object at present. Then how we can be convert from active to passive? Let me know about all books. We can be write all books. It is the plural form. All books have been brought by him at present. Okay, he converted him. Then we should be mention preposition before the subject. The action should be done by him. So we have to write in the passive voice. Okay, this is the structure of the present perfect. So now I hope you can understand the present, all present actions. There is no convertation of the present perfect continuous because it is already the have the continuation action already here is there. So thus we could not be convert present perfect action. Let's go through the past actions. Now it's time for go past actions. Now it's simple past. Let me know what is the mean by simple past? The action which has done. So that might be yesterday, that might be 10 years before, that might be 10 days before. That action which happened, just happened, not happened, happened. That action we can be write in the simple past. Okay, let me know. Write one example, simple past. So what is that? I purchased goods in market last week. I purchased goods in market last week. This is the simple past action. Then how we convert the active to passive voice? Let me know the structure first of all. Structure. Then let me write the first of all objective. The next one we should be write this is the past action. That it means we should be write the helping verbs of the either was or were. Then next we should be write the verb third form. Then next we should be write the preposition. Then next we should be write subject. This is the structure of the simple past. Okay, let me change the active voice to passive voice. Let me know first of all, this is the subject and purchased is the verb, main verb. Goods is the object and the remaining is the second object. So let me change. How to change? Goods goods were or was? Goods were. Third form, purchased. Purchased by me in the market last week. So listen, goods is the object and where we should be mentioned, and purchase third form, preposition, and at last we should be mentioned subject, and the remaining sentence we should be add or not added. That's not a matter. So this is the simple past. We can be convert present to active to passive. Okay, now dears, we have to go the next one, past continuous. Now it's time for past continuous. Listen, past continuous. Let me know about the past continuous. The action which is in the past, the still continue on the time when we speak about the past action, the continuous action, that is called past continuous. Okay, let me write the one of the example. They were making sweets at their home when I reached there. When I reached there. Okay, this is the past continuous action. They were making sweets at their home when I reached there. Okay, this is the past continuous action. How we convert to active to passive voice? Let me know the structure. So what is the structure? Object plus we should be mentioned already as said. So when the continuous is, it's when we want to change the active to passive, we should be mentioned either was or were, and remember we should be mentioned the continuous action, you should be mentioned being. Next one, verb third form. Next one, we should be write preposition. Next one, we should be write subject. This is the structure for past continuous action. Let me know, change the sentence according to the structure. Okay, let me know first of all, they is the subject, where is the helping verb, and making is the main verb. Sweets is the object, and at their home, these all are the some other added sentence. Okay, let me know what is the object. Sweets. Sweets was or were? Sweets were being. Sweets were being made by them at their home when I reached there. Okay, and these are the added sentence. You can be add, I could not be add, so that doesn't matter. Then sweets were being made by them, and if you want to write like this, sweets were being made at their home by them when I reached there. Okay, this is the past continuous action. We can be convert from the active to passive voice. Now let's go to the past perfect. Past perfect, already said, perfect actions all are which has completed actions. Okay, let me know, we should be write one sentence. We had constructed our home. We had constructed our home at last month. This is the continuous perfected action. It means which had completed. We had constructed our home at last month. The action should be already completed. Let me know how to change from active to passive. Then we should be write the structure. Should be write the structure. Object, then next one should be mentioned had been. Directly you can be mentioned it is the perfect action, that it should be mentioned had been. Next you should be mentioned object, had been, verb third form, preposition. Next you should be mentioned subject. So this is the structure for past perfect action. Okay, let me know how we can be changed. Dear, this is the subject, we know already, subject, and this is the helping verb. Construct is the main verb. Our home is the object. At the last one, the remaining added sentence. Okay, let me know. We had constructed our at home last month. How we can change our home had been constructed at last month by us. You can try it like this. our home had been constructed by us at last month. You can write, this is the added sentence. You can write where you necessary, where you want. You can write. So, okay dears, this is the past perfect continuous, past perfect action. There is no past perfect continuous actions. So, this after this past action, they have only 3 past actions: simple past, past continuous, and past perfect. And the present also: simple present, present continuous, and present perfect. And then let me know. Next one is the future actions: simple future and future perfect. Simple future. Now it's now about the simple future action. So when the action will happen in future, so just imagine to say that it's called a simple future action. Okay, let me write the one of the sentence. She will marry next week. She will marry next week. This is the simple future action. Okay, then how we convert structure? Object, next one helping verb will or shall, or we should be mentioned be, will be or shall be. The next one you should be write verb third form. Next one you should be write preposition. Next one you should be write the subject. So this is the structure to write the simple future action. Okay, now let me know about the simple future action, how we convert from active to passive. This is the subject and this is the helping verb and this is the main verb. There is no object. Then how we can write? So on that time the subject only that acts as a object. Okay, how? That one, she will be married next week. Okay dear, this is the sentence. Simple future we can be convert like this. When the object is not there, so on that time it acts as a object, the subject. Now let know go about the future perfect. Future perfect. Let me know, write the one of the sentence. In future, when one action should be completed, we just guess and imagine, we have to speak about that. Okay, let me know, future perfect, how we convert the from asset to sentence, active to passive voice. So write one of the example. We will have We will have purchased all things to next week. Will have purchased all things to next week. It means in the next week you will be completed all the actions. Okay, let me know. We will have purchased all things to next week. How we convert from active to passive? Let me know about the structure. Object, then should be right will have been or shall have been. Will have been or shall have been. Then next we should be write verb third form. Then we should next write preposition. Then next we should be write subject. Okay, according to the structure we should be change the future perfect action from active to passive. Let me know. We eat the subject and will have the helping verb, purchased is the main verb, all things is the object, to next week the some other object. Okay, let me know, write how it should be write. All things will have been purchased by us to next week. Okay guys, this is the all kind of the asset to sentence from active to passive. So these all are the structure. I hope you can understand this all. Okay, thank you. Next we will continue the remaining interrogative and imperative type of sentence. Next class we will continue that. Thank you.